In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lazy eye on Facetune. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Facetune application on your device, and once you're logged into your account, you can choose your desired photo by tapping on the galleries icon at the top left corner. Now, once you're on this page, you can simply select your desired photo by tapping on it. Once you select your picture, you will find various different edit options at the bottom section. Just scroll over to the right and you can find the face feature. Tap on face and this will detect your face automatically. Now from the edit features, you can tap on the eyes button. Once you tap on this, you can modify various different parameters such as width, height, your tilt and your distance. You can simply tap on the height option and use the slider to open it more or close it. If you simply adjust the height and open your eyes a little bit more, this will fix the lazy eyes. You can also edit the other parameters to achieve your desired look. And once you're satisfied, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix lazy eye on Facetune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.